Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous and honest support to my channel. We have a dedicated Telegram channel for our followers. If you're interested in discussing on trading ideas or getting support from other traders, you can join our Telegram channel. In this video, I'm going to do daily technical analysis USD JPY currency pairs. So yesterday I had informed that USD JPY currency pair was in a consolidation. There was no directional movement, but today looks like it has got a uptrend started. So let us see how far the uptrend is going to go, and let us analyze the short-term trading ranges for today. So first, let us see what is the resistance and support area in daily time frame. So when we notice it in daily time frame, this is a resistance area. Presently also it is on the resistance area, and presently candlestick is trying to break this area. And you can see there is a continuous bullish trend continuing, and support area in the higher time frame is going to be, this is going to be the support area in a higher time frame. It's very narrow range when you see it from the daily time frame. And next, resistance area, it's quite far away, but this is going to be the resistance area. So when we see the trend wise, it has given a very nice consolidation, then took a support here, then uptrend has started. When we see it here also more in detail, in this area also here, it has actually taken some support and took some time to consolidate and start the bullish trend. This is good sign that the uptrend will still continue. Consolidation or retracement is most important for an uptrend to continue. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So when we see it in hourly time frame, it is still in uptrend. We can draw the trend line like this. So as long as this trend line is holding, the uptrend still continues. So it is still on a uptrend, and you can notice that market has consolidated here. Consolidation means trading within some range, gathering enough bullish trend or bearish trend to make directional movement. That is how you have to understand the consolidation. Uptrend has started. It is presently testing the resistance area. It is trying to break the resistance area from daily time frame. Let us go to the 30 minutes time frame, analyze the trend and the trading range. When we analyze the trend in 30 minutes time frame, I can notice that the uptrend has started from here, and there is a very nice trend line, uptrend continuation, and it is actually trading within a bullish channel pattern. Presently it is coming down. As long as this channel pattern is not broken, the uptrend in 30 minutes time frame will continue. Whenever retracement happens, so when it retraces and touches the support line from 30 minutes time frame, you can go for a buy. Presently it is not a right point to take a buy position, because it is already testing the resistance area, and also it is forming a red color candle. So wait for it to retrace to this lower side support area, then go for a buy. So this full area was a consolidation area yesterday. So this area will be acting as a support area. So if it doesn't manage to break on the higher side, you can retrace and break this channel pattern also and take support in this dynamic support. Again bounce back and start its uptrend. On the upside, this is going to be the target 114.814. Next target 114.618. Next support, it has already crossed this point, so it will be acting as a support now. It has given a breakout from this consolidation point. If it retraces, it can come down to here, take support and bounce back also. So this will be acting as a support here. And if it breaks this support, next support is going to be over here, 114.346. And if it still goes down, then we can find it to take support at this dynamic support from daily time frame. If it breaks this range, then we have the the bottommost area where the consolidation took place yesterday. If you like this video and found it useful, please subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram group. The joining link for Telegram channel is posted below this video.